Mu maziga ag'ekitalo Hajji bw'atyo bw'ayingiziddwa mu kkooti. Namungi w'omuntu ajjudde kkooti ng'ate n'ebweru tolina w'oyisa kigere. Wano amaziga ffenna we gatuyitiddemu nga Hajji bamutwala mu kaguli. Hajji obukkakkamu bw'alina n'abasirikale bennyini bamukwatirwa ekisa. Wano ffenna emitima nga gitwewanise nga tulinda omulamuzi ky'atugamba. Honorable Muhammad Nsereko azze ne ttiimu y'abalooya 12 bonna bayimiridde mu musango guno. Bino byonna bigenda maaso nga ye maama wa Hajji atudde wali wansi pressure zaamukubye dda. Hajji bw'omutunulako eri mu kaguli gy'ayimiridde tolema kuyungula zziga. Biibyo byonna tuula weetegereza owulirize amaziga agabadde mu kkooti.
I think you worship, we are aware that the nature of the offense before us is a capital offense, and that indeed the jurisdiction to try this offense lies within the High Court, and that it is true the accused has been presented before for explanation of the charges, and that we are here for mention. What you have no doubt that this process might go on for as long as 6 months or plus, as the prosecution so wishes and this court so wishes. However, we pray that your worship, in line with Article 28 of the Constitution, that an innocent man, in this case Mr. Ali Mizera, is in the custody of prison on charges that have been presented by the prosecution but that have not been fully investigated. That we know the nature of the charges, and we so pray that if it may please you, your worship, we inform the prosecution to speed up the investigation so that this is not a fishing expedition for evidence here and there, and that had they known that the investigations were incomplete, then they shouldn't have gone ahead to sanction the file and incarcerate an innocent man. We so pray, Your Honor, that they do this expeditiously or as soon as possible, so the matter be heard quickly. We so pray, Your Honor. We are aware of the 6 months window, and we are aware that also the accused desires his freedom. We are also aware that we cannot apply for bail from this court, and we know where to proceed, Your Honor. But we thank you for the time, and we are ready to return at such a time that you may appoint, and we expect that the inquiries into the matter and the investigations will be complete so that the process of committal takes place and that the case be heard on its own merits. I beg to submit.
So this being a capital offense, it's here only for mention in regard to the investigations. True, the state is advised to speed up on the investigations in regard to this case so that it can be disposed of on its merits in the appropriate court. For any other applications or prayers in regard to the accused's rights, they should be put before the trial court, which is the High Court Criminal Division. So since the state has informed court that the investigations are not complete, it's adjourned. It's adjourned to the 13th of November 2024 at 9 o'clock for further mention.
Kote tegezeza tufu musango guno tegulibwa mu kooti eno genda kuba mu kooti enkulu nabwe ekityo ategeezesa nti oludda olwabi lirina enkizo okuba lukola okunoonyereza mu musango guno mu bwangu ddala okulaba nti omusango gusobola okuwulirwa okutuuka ku nkomerero yaabwe mu kooti esaanidde okubuulirwa nga ye kooti enkulu nabwe ekityo omusango gw'okutanda ku 13 omwezi gwa 11 ku saa 3 ez'okumakya Uganda okusoma mu kooti eno okutegeeza olulwo lwakutegeeza ko lutuuse n'okunoonyereza omusango guno.
This person is further remanded to the 13th of November.
Nani wako siku ku remande ekiko bana ku mwezi 13 n'ogwa 12 Yeah, I'm going to go.